So Google has just released the Gemini Pro API, which is a game changer for developers who want to leverage the power of Gemini, Google's state-of-the-art AI model suite. It's going to make a lot of things easier and more powerful for them. So Gemini Pro is Google's latest AI wonder, a key part of the Gemini suite. It's a powerhouse capable of tasks like understanding language, recognizing images, and decoding speech. Built on Transformer architecture, Gemini Pro stands out for its versatility and efficiency. It can process complex, lengthy texts with a 32K context window and supports an impressive 38 languages. Now, let's take a closer look at what makes Gemini Pro really special and powerful. First off, Gemini Pro has a 32K context window. This is a fancy way of saying it can work with up to 32,000 tokens of text at once, which is around 16,000 words. That's a big deal because most other models can only deal with 8,000 tokens or about 4,000 words. So Gemini Pro can manage much longer and more complicated stuff like whole documents, articles, or even books. This also means it can remember and focus on information for a longer time, which is super important for doing things like summarizing, answering questions, and having conversations. Another cool thing about Gemini Pro is its multimodal endpoint, so it can understand and create things in both text and visual forms. So basically, Google now made Gemini Pro available for you to use it in your projects, which is great news. The Gemini API is RESTful, so you can use it with any programming language or platform that can make HTTP requests.